Hi everybody. Hey, this is my question I've been asking all kinds of people, and not one person, and I've been doing this for 6 months now, not one person has come forward to tell me. Although geologically I was told that this here is Hawaii, right here, this yellow dot on Google Earth. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, there's Hawaii. Apparently there's a hot spot under here, and that's why these islands were created, here, 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 and here. As you can see, the earth is going over a hot spot. The crust is moving. We all know this. We were taught this. Dutch Sense knows this, although I've sent him numerous ones and he hasn't come back with me. Maybe he just didn't see it, although I posted many times, even a long time ago, before he became real popular and stopped answering people's questions. So y'all are geologists, but not one of you has come back to tell me whether or not I'm on the right path or not. Now, there's a lot of people say, well, there wasn't an earth, you can't have an earth or a crust shift. Well, I'm going to show you that I think you're wrong about that. Because, see, this is a hot spot, and apparently you can see that it's created islands all the way across there. Okay? Let's zoom out a little bit so you get a perspective. So look at this angle. I don't know angles very much, or or whatever, but you could see that it's gone across for quite some time, and then there's a little kink right there, and it kind of goes off this direction right here. Okay, not very difficult to tell. But then right here, which could have been 1,000,000 years ago, I don't know how long ago, it makes a drastic, almost a 90-degree turn. So is it possible that since this is going this direction, that eventually one day it was, the earth was maybe like this? If the crust was moving in the same direction, could it have made that kind of drastic change? Did the earth actually kind of look like this at one time? Because there you could see the trail. You could see it perfectly. You could see it went this way, then it came across this way, and then made another bump this direction. Almost a 90-degree angle of a difference of a change, with maybe two different areas that intersect where it may have changed. But I mean, nobody's answered this fact. That's what I'm not really mad. I just think that none of you want to take a leap and tell me. None of you have enough confidence in yourself. But I mean, clearly that's what it shows. Clearly that's how these islands are formed. There is a hot spot that lets molten lava up through the surface, and the Earth's crust moves along. And that's how I was taught and told by a geologist how those islands formed. So if those islands formed then that way, and you can see it, look at that. Look at the way it goes across. Look at it. Look at it. I mean, come on, guys. Take a leap of faith, man. There it is. Plain as day, man. There's your old trail of Hawaii. So something made this thing change and turn. So if one of you, and trust me, I've asked NASA experts. I've done the scientist thing on several of these internet sites where ask a scientist or ask a geologist. Not one of them has come back to me, and I've asked diligently, asked. I just get tired of it. So, hey Dutch, do you got the answer for this? I mean, come on, look at it. I've asked you 2 times, man, and you haven't gotten back to me. So I'm not saying, I know you're a busy guy, man. I really do. But this seems like something that would be important, that's right up your alley, and you seem to know a lot about geology since you talk about it and said you went to school for it, and I don't know how much education you got in it, but I trust you. I trust your line of thought and education, and I really don't know if I should trust anybody else, because they all seem to come from the mainstream. They're going to tell me what I want to hear, although none of them has told me yet. And I've been doing this for, like I said, 6 months, maybe even 8 months when I first. But I've noticed this a long time ago. Even when I was a little child, I noticed that this did this. So there's the trail, and there it goes across like so. So was there an earth shift? Because it sure looks like there was an earth shift to me. I mean, there's the trail. It doesn't lie. I mean, you're not going to have automatically the crust stop and go in different directions and stay in the same place. You're not going to have that. So something shifted the crust of this earth and made that island trail change. So I'm waiting for an answer, man. I'm just going to keep hounding y'all. until you give me one. Thank you.